Hello students, you are studying the chapter surface area. I am going to teach you 13.15 question. Surface area value. A cubical box has each is 10 centimeter, each edge is equal to 10 centimeter, it is given. Another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, 10 centimeter wide, and height is given, depth is given 8 centimeter. Height is given 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter height. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? First part. Which has the greater lateral surface area? Lateral surface area of cube. Lateral means 4a square, that is 4 into 10 square. Lateral surface area of the cuboid, that is 2L plus B into H. It is called lateral surface area. 4 walls, 4a square, 10 10 100, 400 centimeter square. 2L plus B, 2 12.5 into 10 into 8. 2 into 12, 20. 22.5 plus into 8, what will you get? 45 into 8, 8 5 the 40, 360 centimeter square. 360. Then what is lateral surface area? So difference you find out. Difference. Lateral surface area of which is greater? 400 is greater than 360 by 400 minus 360, 40 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cube is greater than cuboid by 40 centimeter square. Second part of this. What is the given second part? Which box has a smaller total surface area by how much? Which has a smaller total surface area? TSA. TSA will be what? 6a square. And here the TSA will be 2L. You have already calculated. No need to calculate again. Here also no need to calculate again. Means 4a square directly you can get. This is easy. But it is CSA plus 2 into LB. What are you getting CSA here? 360 plus 2 into 22, 12.5 to LB into 10. That will add. And here will 6 into 10 square. Then you compare which is smaller and find the difference. That like this you can do it. Question number 6. Subtract both which is smaller you will write down. Which have a smaller surface area. Question number 7. 6. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely in the glass pans. Glass pan is there, including base held together with the tape. It has 30 centimeter long and 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter in height. Herbarium, there is a small plants and other all around. It is a cuboidal form. What is the area of the glass used? Held together with a tape. By tape it is joined. And a small indoor greenhouse is made entirely glass pans including the base. Base is all around it is closed. And then what is the area of the glass? Area of the glass will be TSA of the cuboid. It is the first part. What is given second part? How much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Length of the tape is needed is equal to how many times I have told you in a cuboid. In a cuboid, how many edges are there? 12. Out of 12 edges, what? 4 times length, 4 times breadth, 4L plus B plus H means perimeter of the cuboid. It is the length of the tape is required. 4 times length, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times breadth, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times height, 4, 3 is 12. 3 length, 3, this 3. So 12, you will solve like this, put the values and you can get the result. Question number 7. In the question number 7, what are you getting? In question number 7, there is a Santi Sweet Stalls plans to make the cardboard boxes. Santi Sweet Shop is want to make the cardboard boxes. Cardboard boxes is made. Sweet box, you know. Sweet box is covering. When you like this, when you open, so this part is covered by this overlapping. It is the overlapping of the box. That is given 2 type of the boxes you will get. What are the 2 type of the boxes? 2 size of the boxes together, dimension 25, 20 and 5. 25, 20 and 5. One box is this, which is smaller. Another is which is larger. It is a large size. And another is given for all overlapping. For all the overlap, 5% of the TSA of area required. 15 smaller is given. It is a larger. So larger you can use the capital letters. What will you use? Capital letter. Larger, length, breadth, height. Smaller, further smaller you will 15, 12, 5. 15, 12, 5. 15, 12, 5. It is for all overlapping. Overlap, that's I have told you. Overlap means like this. This cover is overlapping at this place. Overlapping part is overlapping. Overlap required how much? 5% of TSA. So one pair, it cost of the cardboard is rupees, rate is given, rate of cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. It is given the rate. Find the cost of a cardboard required to supply 250 boxes of each kind. 250 pair. 250 box of each type. There is a 2 method. One separate, one direct, means 500 boxes you want. So TSA of large will be 2 LB. Box will be prepared. TSA you will take and overlapping is 5% extra. Here the question is given. B needs 5% of the, for all the overlap, 5% of total required extra. Extra means we will add 2 LB plus BH plus HL, capital letters. It is the TSA of large. TSA of small, calculate 2 small LB, BH, small LH. Then total surface area for one pair. Total surface area, total TSA of for one pair. One pair means 250 pairs. So 2 is common. You can write LB plus BH plus LH plus LB plus BH plus HF. Or you add, after adding all, so extra, what is the, it is the calculation you will calculate, put the values and calculate, you will get the centimeter square is this TSA. But 5% extra, extra means what? Suppose this, you suppose your answer is coming A. It is the answer A. So extra see a cardboard for overlap is 5% of 5% of A. What is the A? A is the one pair. Total what answer you are getting, that 5% you take. So extra is this. Therefore area required for one pair is equal to A plus 5%. A plus extra. A plus 5% of A. It is the one pair. A plus means what answer you are getting here, it is A. A plus 5% of A. You are getting the one pair. So area for 250 pair. Area for 250 pair. So what will you get? 250 multiplied by this. You get the total area required for making 250 boxes. 250 multiplied by this area, twice of this area total. Why twice? 2 is common in both. So LB, BH, LH and TSA are the small plus TSA of the, you can use separate and then add and double it. 5% you calculate, 5% you add, then you get one pair multiplied by 250. It is your total area, and then cost will be this multiplied by rate. Rate is given 4 upon 1000. This will be 4 upon 1000. You will write, you get your answer. What is the cost? Very simple. Question number 8, how will you solve? Question number 8 will be solved by method in what is given in the question number 8. Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. Car means garage. In the garage there is a, on the floor, it means one thing is excluded. He want to make the floor by a shelter of this tarpaulin. See, tarpaulin is a cloth, thick cloth that cover all 4 sides and the top. It means the floor is not there. And size of the, assuming that the stitching margin is very small, so therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required? And front face of the R4 means front face is rolled and then open, it means front also it will cover by the same thing. Rolling, they are rolling like a tent. Roll and then car will inside again open. So what is that? It means it is a cuboid and given 2.5 meter LBH. What is the length given? 4 meter. Breadth given 3 meter. And the height is given 2.5 meter for the car. We want to put the tarpaulin temporary shade. So assuming that there, how much tarpaulin would be required? Tarpaulin, area of tarpaulin. Area of tarpaulin required is equal to TSA minus LB. Base has no, TSA minus LB means LB plus 2L plus B into H. Area of 4 wall plus base. You can write like this also, or you write this. Both are the same thing. LB 1 base plus 4 wall, or total surface minus this. Put the values of this and this meter square. Tarpaulin is required to make this box. Very simple. So I hope all of you understand this, and then it is a 13.1 exercise. Next topic is right circular cylinder. We will explain in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.